Smiling Critter song. Hooray! So original!
Oh, be quiet, Baba Black Sheep or whatever.